Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Dreo app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Dreo is a smart home control app designed to work with Dreo's range of devices, including fans, space heaters, air purifiers, and other climate appliances. It allows users to control power, temperature, speed, oscillation, and modes directly from their smartphones. The app also supports smart scheduling, timer settings, and integration with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app interface is sleek and responsive. Most users find it very convenient to adjust fan speeds or switch modes without getting up. Setup is straightforward, and pairing with Wi-Fi usually works on the first try. Features like scheduling and sleep mode customization are especially useful for nighttime comfort or energy savings. That said, there are some drawbacks. A few users have reported that the app sometimes disconnects from devices, requiring a manual reset. Others mention occasional delays in command execution or bugs that prevent syncing with voice assistants. And while the app does receive updates, some users feel the customization options could go further, for example, with more detailed automation triggers. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, the Dreo app is definitely worth using if you own Dreo smart devices. It brings remote control, voice integration, and customization right to your phone, making home climate control easier. However, its reliability may depend on your Wi-Fi setup and occasional updates from the developers. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.